3 to 6 inches. A message for the following county: North Cass, Minnesota. What? Heavy mixed precipitation expected. Total snow accumulations of 4 to 6 inches and ice accumulations of around 1/10 of an inch. Winds gusting as high as 50 miles per hour. Where? North Cass, South Cass, Crow Wing, Northern Aitkin and South Aitkin counties. This includes the tribal land of the Mille Lacs Band, East Lake and Big Sandy Lake areas. When? From 9 a.m. Tuesday to 7 p.m. Wednesday. Impacts: travel could be very difficult. Patchy blowing snow could significantly reduce visibility. The hazardous conditions could impact the morning or evening commute. Gusty winds could bring down tree branches. Additional details: expect a lot of sleet to mix in. Sleet will act to lower the total snow accumulations, but is equally as dangerous. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency. The latest road conditions can be obtained by calling 511. Road conditions can also be found at 511mn.org for Minnesota or 511wi.gov for Wisconsin. The forecast for the greater Bemidji area.